So let's make some monkey bread. Really cool. I'll post the recipe. Super simple. I just buy these biscuits in a tube. And there's not a lot of ingredients in it. So it's 2 biscuits in a tube, 1.5 cups of table sugar, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1.5 cups of butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar. The tools you're gonna need are a Bundt pan, a ziploc bag, a flathead spatula. I use the knife to cut the biscuit pan, you know me, and cast iron, in an oven at 350. Joker's up. Isn't that funny how that scares everybody? There it is, monkey bread. 30 minutes in the oven, 350.